2 weeks, let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
I'm obliged. May it please the Lord. Number 11.
Okay, with the Mr. So-and-so learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits praise for adjournment of the matter. Full stop. He has taken consent of the other side. Later matter will be listed after 2 weeks.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 17, lordship. We have filed our affidavit in reply. Lordship, may kindly call for the record.
When?
Today, your lordship.
Today not
Item number
possible.
17.
Mr. So-and-so submits that he has filed the affidavit in reply in the instant case, but the same is not on record. Later matter will be listed after a week. After a week.
Similar prayer, Lordship, almost we have filed an affidavit, Lordship, and the case is today, Lordship, 41 item, Lordship. Additional affidavit we have filed in item number 41. Lordship, kindly allow me to bring the same on record.
41.
41. Please hear.
Okay.
Highly obliged.
41 allowed.
May I please, Lordship? My lord, may I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item 61, my lord.
Item
61 order, my lord. It is a review petition.
61, yes, whatever.
Yes, list after 2 weeks, my lord.
Hmm?
List after 2 weeks.
Why?
My lord, senior counsel is not available.
Okay. On the prayer of the learned counsel appearing for Mr. Amir Mahmood, later matter will be listed after 2 weeks.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 62.
70?
Number 62. In this matter, the applicant has filed intellectual application to vacate the interim order, lordship. So I need 2 weeks time to file our reply, lordship.
You want to file a reply to that? Why? I mean, all the materials are before the court. What reply you will file?
No, I need, lordship, 2 weeks. No reply.
Because all the facts are available there. You have got the benefit of injunction for last
There
2 years most.
are 2 additional documents is required to file, lordship.
You have already taken two years benefit of injunction.
This matter was CFE appeared, lordship. But it was released from the honor.
Okay, Mr. MS Kakoti, the learned counsel appearing for the appearing for the respondent, submits that she wishes to file an affidavit in opposition into the IA filed for vacation of the stay by the respondents. Full stop. Prayer is allowed. Let the matter be listed when.
After 2 weeks, lordship.
Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks. She has taken consent of the other side, yes. But there are other matters also, analogous matters are there.
Yes, lordship.
So but there are other counsels are also there.
I will inform, lordship.
You'll inform them.
Yes.
Okay. Because only, I mean, this has only come for the vacation of the stay.
Yes, lordship.
I am for the respondent, institute matter.
You have filed
Yes, I
a
have filed.
but other councils, you should have informed them.
Yes, lordship.
And you should have informed prior to taking the prior to mention.
Actually, I is
Listed.
Okay, you intimate the parties. 62 to 65, 66. Okay, 2 weeks time allowed. You file it by that time, within 2 weeks.
yes, lordship.
Kindly, matter may be taken after some time, madam. Kindly, matter may be taken after some time, madam.
Number of first item you take it, you ask for adjournment. This is not fair. You know about this. Okay, time being.
Idea rejected, my lord, by your lordship. My only prayer is after the city maybe call for only that. Your lordship kindly see the main accused, they already arrested, my lord. Number one.
No. I mean, Mr.
Uh.
CD is not required in this matter.
My lord, for the ends of justice, but I just wanted maybe some subsequent development may be there, my lord, because.
What subsequent development? You tell me.
Because all witnesses are not examined at that time, my lord. Because it all depends on the till the charge sheet, my lord, maybe something may come up, my lord. Only at this day, I'm not asking anything more, my lord. Only up to the case day.
Otherwise, my lord, earlier rejected my lord completely back to any.
Yes, that is there.
There is nothing in this matter, Mr. Chaudhary.
I'm not asking for anything more, my lord.
no,
Only for the, my lord, sometime, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, learned counsel appearing for the accused applicant. Also heard Mr. Vikidas Lalani, APP for the state. This is an application on the so-and-so. Then you write.
Huh? Any day after 25.
The case relates to assault of the father of the informant, whereby the father of the informant died. Earlier, an application for anticipatory bail was filed by the accused applicant, which was rejected by this court by 25/2026. Call for the CD. Let them be listed
27th, that's
on 27th.
Almost.
this matter, my lord, can it be, my lord, taken some time later?
Okay,
We have to go to
take up
TCA
it will be later. Because they are particular not.
No, report only about service.
Kutu,
Respondent number 2.
Yes, it is only for the service only.
Only service matter whether it was that.
I mean, have you got any information? Because last time it was listed for,
Yes, my lord, the service completed by that.
then we'll
Yeah, madam.
That.
Okay, heard Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. S. Islam, learned counsel for the accused applicant. Also heard Mr. So the learned APP for the state. The learned APP for the state submits that service of notice upon respondent number 2 is complete. However, complete full stop. However, since no one is appearing, let Mr. Amicus curiae is
69 to
69.
Let's say Surajit Das be appointed, learned counsel be appointed as an amicus curiae to assist the court on behalf of respondent number 2. Full stop. Let the matter be listed.
Madam, if that is there, madam, can it be tomorrow, madam?
Tomorrow, no.
Because 36 violation on the face of it, madam. 36 violation, madam. 36
The 36 violation depends, Mr. Chaudhary, you are aware.
That's why your lordship wanted.
I mean, yeah, I have gone through this case.
Yes.
Section 50, 51, everything is complied. 47, 48 complied with.
Yes.
I mean, at the very moment. So, Mr. Chaudhary, you were aware
Madam,
that section 36. I mean, the object of section 36.
No, that's.
So, I mean, there is no. I mean, I don't think that will be a ground. We'll have to argue a different ground. Let the matter be listed on 24th.
24.
24th.
Obliged.
May I please your lordship? I beg apology for not being able to appear, my lord, because there is a jam, my lord, in the Horolu itself, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, this is the second application earlier rejected by your lordship. I have managed the order. Now, my only prayer before your lordship is that before of the detention period, 48 days behind the bar, I am placing your lordship judgments, my lord. Kindly, similar case, my lord, your lordship has granted bail, my lord. Case is not yet charge sheeted, my lord.
48 days,
Yes, 48 days, my lord.
some more days.
My lord, kind of, Eid is coming, my lord. That's why, my lord, if your lordship kindly consider the matter, my lord.
What is happening in the investigation? Any idea?
We take instruction on my lord, CD may be called for my lord, short accommodation, my lord.
But earlier, your lordship perused the CD and rejected it earlier.
Yes.
I managed the order.
I understand the NDPS case. I mean, if
But
you
it is
cannot-
B21B, my lord.
I understand.
Your lordship judgment I placed, my lord.
No, I know.
Under any condition, my lord. Festival is there, that's why I'm.
Heard Mr. SC Biswas, the learned counsel appearing for the accused applicants. Also heard Mr. So and APP for the state. There is an application under so and so. The case relates to recovery of intermediate quantity of heroin. Please stop. Call for the CD. Let the matter be fixed on 23rd. 23rd.
23rd. Did you?
Judgment करनी है.
Item number 3.
Four.
I can pull this.
Yes, what has happened? AZ department.
We have already authorized PPO and DPO.
Hmm?
We have already authorized.
You have already authorized. Now what remains?
Nothing remains here.
If the secretary is already finished.
Only one prayer is there. If your lordship comes to page number 7. The basic pay from so and so to so and so, my lord.
So if there is some problems, then it will go back again.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. But that has,
If you
but
have
that has to be added, my lord. That has to be
correct. So if there is any correction to be made, then it has to go back again.
No.
So what do you want?
My kindly see, my lord, paragraph number 5, my lord. Page
Paragraph?
7. Paragraph number 5.
5 of your application.
My lord, my petition, my lord. Page 7. The basic pay from 12/7 to 1999 to April 2006 was not given as per the pay scale, and moreover, the salary of February 2010 has not been paid.
The basic pay from so and so to was not given as per a basic scale and moreover salary pay.
My lord, this is also included in my prayer also, my lord. Your lordship, kindly peruse the prayer. Prayer number 5.
This is covered or not?
My government will say, my lord.
Lordship, and the period 1912-2025 order, Lordship. This has already been taken into account.
1912?
1912-2025, Lordship. Lordship, paragraph 4, Lordship.
1 second. 1912.
So and so has submitted that the proposal was not being processed only on the ground that the petitioner was existing and some service benefits which he was not entitled to. The respondent authorities while preparing a pension proposal is required to prepare the pension proposal by taking into consideration the service particulars of the government employee and service benefits that a government employee is not entitled to. The same cannot be reckoned for the purpose of finalization of his pension and pensionary benefits. So this has been already been addressed by Lordship.
Lordship may grant me some time, my lord. I will take the instruction from my time, my lord, whether he has received this.
You take the instruction,
Madam.
otherwise, I mean, there is nothing in this matter.
Madam.
Yes, Lord.
When we'll take it today?
Not today, my lord. For a week, my lord. He's an old person, my lord. I have to contact him, my lord.
But you will not get, because I mean, earlier order it has been covered.
My lord, let me see, my lord, whether he has received this amount or not. PPF.
Let's I have received. Few minutes back I have received.
Yes, my lord.
WhatsApp, Lordship. I will provide him the honor.
He has already received it.
He has received today, my lord. He has received it today only. Let me come after 10 days, my lord.
Okay. Parties are duly represented. The learned counsel preparing for the AZ.
AG, Lordship.
Preparing for the AZ submits that what has been ready? What is the term you use?
PPO and DPO has been already authorized.
PPO and DPO has already DPO have already been prepared and ready for dispersal. Full stop. the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, however, seeks some time to seek instructions from his client. Full stop. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
All right, sir.
Who is your senior? Hmm.
Standing counsel animal husbandry. We have filed our affidavit in opposition lordship in this case.
No, not about filing or affidavit in opposition, but what has happened there? There was an instruction to be sought for. You have filed the affidavit.
Yes, lordship.
You are appearing for whom?
Standing counsel animal husbandry department.
And what about the Dimahasa Autonomous Council? I mean, have you filed your affidavit or is there any instructions? You file it, I mean, because last time you are supposed to file it. Okay, heard Mr. N. Sarkar, the learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. So-and-so on behalf of Mr. J.K. Goswami, the learned additional senior government advocate for animal husbandry and veterinary department. Comma then MSP Chakraborty, learned standing counsel for DHAC. Full stop. And you are appearing for? You are 8. Mr. A. Chakraborty for respondent number 8. And Mr. Talukdar. Mr. R.K. Talukdar, learned standing counsel for accountant, for respondent for accountant general. Full stop. Respondent number 5. Okay. The counsel appearing for the animal husbandry and veterinary department submits that his senior, Mr. J.K. Goswami, is out of station, therefore prays for some accommodation. Full stop. MSP Chakraborty also seeks prays for 2 weeks time to file an affidavit in the instant case. Full stop. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Obliged. May I please, your lordship?
The mediation is not successful.
My senior is not.
So mediation is not successful, so we'll place it for regular.
Instructions in the matter, it says that the service of the petitioner and master role worker as well as workers employee was never regularized. So we are not in a position to sanction the pension. So we have written a letter to the administrative department to sanction the service gratuity.
No. See, like it was placed before the mediation. Now it will come for it will be placed since mediation is not successful. It will go in a process. So mediation is not successful. So you bring on record whatever is there in the next date, and we'll place it for admission.
May I please, your lordship?
Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner.
My senior is appearing before another court.
Let him appear
The
before
matter
another
may
court.
be kind of to.
And then you write, Mr. B. B for all the state respondents. Mr. Additional Advocate General for all the respondents, and Mr. Mr. B. Sharma for what is the respondent number? Accountant General? 3. Respondent number 3, Accountant General. Full stop there. It is seen that the matter was placed for mediation. Placed for mediation before the mediation center, Gauhati High Court, but the same is not successful. In view of the aforesaid, let the matter be now listed for in usual course in admission column after 2 weeks. Admission column after 2 weeks. By the time you bring on record whatever is there, then you have to file an affidavit in this matter. Because since you are disputing that, so
We are disputing too much. There's nothing, no order for regularization. He retired as a master law.
so you also file an affidavit. I mean, you write that the state government as well as the Department of AZ will file affidavit bringing on record their contents.
Basically, after 4 weeks, we can file affidavit.
Okay, let the matter if you have placed up, let the matter be listed after 4 weeks. So you file affidavits.
File.
Okay.
May I please, your lordship?
7, no affidavit filed.
My lord, the affidavit is ready, my lord. You to protect the one extra. I will collect it, but I will file it Monday.
So you are appearing for
I am looking for
Yeah.
one to file.
respondent 1 to 5. Respondent number 6, private respondent. Private respondent.
After 2 weeks.
Okay, heard Mr. So
Yes,
the
yeah.
learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. T. Sutia, the learned additional senior government advocate for respondent number 1 to 4, most probably, Mr. Sutia. Or 5 also. Mr. Chutia, 5 also.
1 to 5.
But see, I mean, Renu Kumari Bora, she's been personally made by
5
party.
days. Then now we have filed the affidavit 1 to 5.
Okay. And Mr. So and so for respondent number 6, full stop. Mr. T. Chutia, the learned research in your government advocate submits that that affidavit in the instant matter is almost ready and he seeks 2 weeks time to file an affidavit. Mr. So his name also. I forgot your name. Your name? So Jet Hussain. For respondent number 6 also raised for 2 weeks time to file an affidavit in the instant case. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
My lord, date will be fixed, ma'am.
2 weeks to end it. 6th of April.
Oblige, ma'am. May I please, your lordship? My lord, I am challenging the impugned communication dated 1/5/2023 and 29/5/2023, page 40, lordship. Page 40 of the
Yes.
requisition, Annex 11. May I read, lordships? Request for change of candidature in favor of Sri Arup Jyoti Das, son of so and so. Thus from Srimati Anandabala Das. Anandabala Das is my mother, lordship, wife of Dadap Das. Letter number.
So candidature was not.
That is actually not correct. Actually,
Candidature was not taken. Your mother applied first.
yes.
Then
My mother had-
it remained unanswered. Then you applied.
Applied to the.
And you have
to
been
the
asked
seven.
you have been asked to withdraw your mother's application.
Yes.
Then what happened? Then your thing is rejected.
lord-
Mr.
My lord.
Singh, what has happened to this?
My lord, one submission.
What has happened to this, Mr.
Actually, the petitioner father expired on 19/5/2003. Thereafter, petitioner's mother Ananda, Miss Ananda applied for.
So she applied. He kept it pending for how many years?
2003, and it was kept for pending. Her name appeared as roster actually as serial number 86. Your lordship. Thereafter, what happened on 16/7/2022, the mother has made an application for
You
withdrawal.
know why it was
Candidature.
kept pending for so many years, for 2003 to
Because there
2022?
only 5% is allowed for completion.
And have you
There has to be a vacancy.
now have you responded to her application by replying or something within this 20 years or so?
He was in the roster, my lord.
Hmm.
Her number never came for consideration. Because the 5% is earmark on
Hmm.
whenever the
What
vacancy
is your
arises.
policy? You have a different policy, right?
Yes, my lord.
What is that? Where is that?
And first of all, my paragraph at page 48.
Your affidavit at page 48.
Affidavit in opposition.
Yes, page 48.
Page 48. Inner page is 3.
Page 48.
That's a running page from a great page.
Yes.
It is. inner
Page 48 at paragraph.
Paragraph 9. That the name of Srimati Ananda Das, wife of.
One second, one
has
second.
been entered
Into
maintaining the roster in accordance with the rules of the compassionate appointment, and her name is at the development in the roster. Your lordship, there is a DOPTOM section 1 2013, that is annexure B. Relevant page is the page 3.
But at that point of time, which circular was prevailing? Because application was made in 2003. So you have come up with a circular which is issued in
Yeah, that I
2013,
will have to bring on record.
2013.
The relevant time. Because my lord, what happened?
Because you cannot take the recourse of that to 2013, because see, I mean, application was made in 2003. This has come in 2013.
And what your lordship on, let me file an additional affidavit bringing on the.
Let him file an additional affidavit.
Relevant circular.
Otherwise also like it's almost 22 years.
No, the question.
Now what is your financial constraint?
Question. There is no limitation on their own circular that they have annexed also, lordship. Since my learned friend.
No, you tell me compassion
There.
and
And
appointment.
another
Why?
thing,
What
the
is your
question
reason?
is that I have my mother withdrawn balance, that is actually not correct. In 2007, mother had withdrawn, then affidavit.
No. Now after 20 years, what is your financial constraint? You are surviving for
Only
Devoparta Tiwari.
small family pension loss, that has to be looked into. Only that I have mentioned in my writ petition, 4,000 something lawsuits. Only small benefit lawsuits.
Is the same Devoparta Tiwari will be applicable?
Madam.
Devoparta Tiwari
And there is
case
the
will
own
be
circular, there
applicable
no limitation also.
or not? No. Devoparta Tiwari's case will be applicable or not?
Applicable, madam.
Huh?
I'm relying on.
Then
But
Which I.
lordship, they are
Paragraph 19.
lordships, their own circular,
where
yes.
where page?
74.
Page?
Page 74 of their affidavit, lordship, running page,
Hmm.
page 74.
Yes. This is of 2013.
May I read, lordship? 74.
This is of 2013.
Yes.
Which one is relevant to you? Which one?
Page 74, first, compassion appointment should not be denied or delayed.
Where are
Merely-
reading? Tell me where are reading?
Paragraph lordship D 74,
Huh.
clause
Compassion
18 general,
delayed.
subclause D lordship.
Not be denied or delayed.
Compassion appointment should not be denied or delayed merely on the ground that there is an reorganization in the ministry department office. It should be made available to persons concerned if there is a
But
vacancy.
they are saying there is no vacancy.
Lordship. Compassion and he is found.
No, they are saying there was no
My-
vacancy at that point of
My
time.
contention, they have solely denied my appointment. And my mother had withdrawn belatedly.
No, that is in 2022.
Lordship.
But that is in 2022.
At-
But you bring.
Except in one thing, madam.
Hmm.
When
And-
her mother has withdrawn her candidature, by that time she has already attained her superannuation.
That is factual. That I have
Kept
challenged.
it pending for how
That I
many
have
years?
challenged, Lordship.
Was pending, madam, because
That's
the
a
vacancy was
president.
not available.
Hmm?
Vacancy was not available.
But your OM is not there, na? How much vacancy, all these things,
Let me bring on.
you have to bring on record.
Yes, ma'am. The relevant circular prevailing at that point of time.
Otherwise, this circular has come, in 2013, a decade back. After a decade. You write, I heard Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard Mr. B.K. Singh, the learned counsel appearing for the respondent. You are appearing for all the respondents?
All the respondent, madam.
All the
2 to 4.
2 to 5, except.
Two
2 to
respondent
5.
2 to 5. You stop. Mr. Mr. Singh submits that he is required to file an additional affidavit to bring on record the circular which was prevailing at the point of time when the petitioner has submitted her petitioner's mother, in fact, petitioner's mother has submitted, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Petitioner's mother has submitted the application for compassionate appointment. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks. Let the matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Stop.
Yeah, in the meantime,
They
the
delayed, Lordship.
counsel, in the meantime, the counsel for the respondents 2 to 5 shall file the additional affidavit bringing on record the prevailing circular. Full stop. Let the matter be listed after 3 weeks. लिखा है ना? 3 weeks.
Yes.
Hmm.
Fixing a date.
Let him file an affidavit,
Obliged.
additional affidavit bringing on record the
Yes.
circular.
Lordships.
CDPO, no affidavit has been filed. You are appearing, madam, CDPO. It has been given, I mean, so many times. You have taken time.
This has been prepared and most of the CDPO has that been transferred out lordship and that's why the
No. I mean, this has been pending from 2023, madam. Transfer is not happening every day.
lordship may dispose it of on the basis of the instruction that we received lordship.
What?
That the petitioner is student of a college lordship. This is the instruction that we are having lordship.
Student of college means?
My lord, there is a guideline, my lord, the regular student of school or college would not be applied for this post, my lord.
Okay.
But the private respondent number 4 is the regular student at the time of selection and appointment, my lord. This is my case. And as per the instruction, he is the regular student. And this is the page 19, annexure to page 19, my lord.
So
Is the type copy and particular cancellation of application number 2, my lord.
why are you praying for his cancellation?
My lord.
Hmm?
Very much late phase.
What was the qualification? BA?
Yes,
Qualification was BA.
qualification is higher secondary, my lord.
Higher secondary, then?
Then he is starting in the BA, my lord.
No, you are BA, but like the other person was studying BA. You have completed BA.
Yes.
So what is the problem? I'm not getting it.
My lord, as per this guideline, my lord, there is a regular student of the college, school or college, not to be considered for the post, my lord. The private student, the selected candidate is a regular student at the time of the selection and appointment. My lord.
So anybody is appearing for
Fix it on next.
No,
week,
anybody is
Lordship.
appearing for the private respondent.
Lordship, names are shown, Lordship, but last occasion also, because it has come after almost a 6 7 months.
Private or private,
They were
there's a,
referring-
there also, but so many times of filing affidavit. 24/9, 26/3, there were the 6 or 7 days are taken there for filing the affidavit.
But I mean, without hearing, I mean, we cannot set aside her appointment.
Yes, Lordship, fix it on next week any day, Lordship.
Who was appearing for this thing, private respondent?
Names are shown.
Mr. J. Islam. or
Yes,
somebody.
Islam.
Okay, heard Mr. S.
M.A.
Alim,
Khattar.
the learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard MS M. Bhattacharjee, the learned additional government, additional senior government
Lordship.
advocate for respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
Lordship.
Full stop. None appeared for the respondent number 4. And let the matter be listed. On the prayer of the learned counsel appearing for respondent number 2, 1, 2, and 3, let the matter be listed after a week on a
Hello,
date to be fixed by the
date-
registry.
Date may be fixed.
I'm not keeping it on record, madam. You keep it
No,
and
sure,
like
I'm
next
taking
date,
it
next
there.
date you file an affidavit or place it on record.
My letter, kindly fix the date, my lord.
Give him a date.
Deeply honest, sir.
No, I think I will not take up this matter. I will not take up this matter because I know this, the people involved here.
This is no problem,
Mm.
no problem.
Let the matter be listed in a different bench, except me.
Deeply.
My lord, this item has gone for mediation in between. My lord, prior to that, an affidavit was filed by the, my lord, respondent number 7.
The mediation failed or what?
Mediation failed, my lord.
So we'll put it before for regular admission.
My lord, my lord.
Mm.
And also we'll file, like to file a reply to the affidavit, my lord.
No, that's fine. I mean,
No.
heard Mr. H. Gupta, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. T. Chutia, the learned additional senior government advocate. You are appearing for 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Mr. R. Boro for respondent number 7. Anybody else? Your name? M. Buya on behalf of Finance Department. Full stop. Full stop. 6, the office note dated 6/2/2026 indicates that the matter was placed before Mediation Center of Gauhati High Court. However, the mediation failed. Mediation failed and mediation, however, the mediation failed. Let the matter be listed for admission in usual course of 2 weeks. After 2 weeks.
Lordship. No, the date may be fixed, my lord, pension matter.
Okay, 2 weeks, give him a date. Let the matter be fixed on 2 weeks. After 2 weeks. Why?
Mr. Dina appears as standing counsel. Mr. Dina appears as standing counsel. He's on legs in courtroom 1.
Okay, pass it over for time being.
Lordship, matter may be passed over for time being.
No time being, not today, it will be possible. Will, on the prayer of the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, let the matter be listed after a week.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, matter may be pass over the timing, my lord.
Timing will be difficult after a week.
No,
On the prayer of learned, the
If
learned
it is,
council.
my lord, counsel is on a leg in code number 3, my lord.
Correct, next week you will place it, because there are so many matters are there, it won't be possible. If you are not there, then after a week, let the matter be placed there after a week.
Next thing.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, pass over for the timing, Lordship, as my senior was like in courtroom 1, sir.
This case, my lord, I need some instruction. This last, that's the last order. But people suppose to give the pension.
Yes.
I have not received the up-to-date instructions, like whether they have.
But only thing is that like whether this, that case is, I mean, will be applicable or not, Sanjita Rai's case. So that much you need to find out.
I need some up-to-date instruction, but next week I need it.
Okay. But Mr. So-and-so, learned
Jay
counsel.
Nabil, Lordship.
Huh?
Jay Nabil, Lordship.
You are appearing for whom?
Lordship on behalf of TH Chaudhary, Lordship.
T. Chaudhary, learned counsel.
My name is in the cost list, Lordship.
Then you write Mr. P. Chakraborty, the learned standing counsel for Water Resource Department, Government of Assam. Mrs. M.S. Chakraborty submits that she needs some updated instructions in the instant case. Are you going to file an affidavit?
My lord,
Instructions for filing an affidavit in the matter. She sought for 2 weeks time. 2 weeks time allowed for filing the affidavit in opposition.
Yes, Lordship.
Or it's a pension matter, you can, I mean, without affidavit also, you can give the instructions, whatever is there, submit it and. None appeared for the petitioner when the matter was called for. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
May it please your lordship. Here, senior counsel A. Dasgupta has been engaged for the petitioners. Otherwise, the pleadings are complete, but he is in legs in court number 1. So maybe adjourned.
Okay, on the prayer of Mr. S. Datta, the learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. A.K. Dasgupta, the learned senior counsel for the petitioner. Petitioner, let the matter be listed after
After 2 weeks,
after 2 weeks. Full stop.
obliged.
And please mark the presence of other people. No? Presence of number.
Wait, please, my lord. Lord, this is a matter where my husband has not given me as a nominee in his pension paper. So I'm praying for that.
No affidavit is, who is appearing for
So
respondents?
today perhaps they'll appear for the first time because I've seen Wakalatnama is filed on their behalf, on the behalf of private respondent.
Private respondent, but state who is appearing?
It is West Karbi Anglong. Autonomous Council is there.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel appears for the petitioner. Office note dated 6/3/2026 reveals that Wakalatnama reveals that power has been filed on behalf of respondent number 4. How none appeared for respondent number 4 when the matter was called for. You are appearing for whom? Respondent number 4, full stop. MS so-and-so appears for KAC. Let the matter be listed after.
My lord, I'm praying for a fixed date. Otherwise, doesn't.
After 2 weeks, that are date details.
9? 9th April. Obliged.
So in this writ petition, the petitioner is seeking promotion as superintendent of taxes. And Lordship, the another prayer is for removing the penalty of censure.
No,
The
yes,
other prayer-
censor is not going to affect you.
Lordship,
Who is
because-
appearing? Who is appearing? Somebody has to,
B. Chaudhary was appearing in this case also.
the beach authority has to give instruction. Whether as per rules, censor will be an obligation, censor will be, will be a problem in getting promotion. You are appearing for whom?
Number 180.
The beach authority is appearing for whom?
For taxation department.
But in that matter, candidate must be taken also sometime. I am unable to get in touch with the resident council.
You tell him to come. This matter, there's no point keep this matter pending.
No.
But I don't think there is any issue. You have filed a case for, censor is, otherwise it's settled law. Censor is not going to hamper your promotional
My
aspect.
junior incomes have been promoted also.
No, whether there is any rule
No.
barring you.
No, sir. Because even in the inquiry report, there is nothing adverse against me.
No, is there? So that's what I'm saying.
No,
In
sir.
the rule, that rule that is applicable to you, whether there is any bar, there is nothing.
There's nothing, but still, Lordship, since my period has been regularized in terms of the honorable post order, that censure, that can be removed, Lordship.
Let Mr. B. Chaudhary come, we'll take up later.
I think there has to be an affidavit to be.
Finance has to file an affidavit.
Affidavit, the state has filed. Our affidavit is ready. We have to reply. And the finance and the Union of India, a Union of India affidavit will be necessary.
Union of India Finance has filed.
Finance also, because finance they have admitted. Originally, it was 928 posts, sanctioned posts. Out of sanction 928, in BTC area, 122 one already been absorbed and their service have been regularized. And their salary they were getting on a 0-1 hit. But they have taken a cabinet decision in respect of our state of Assam is concerned. In respect of about 409 petitioner in this case, and they have taken a decision that no, cabinet decision is one that you are not getting on a salary head 0.1, 0.2. If you see 0.2, it is a wages.
0.2 is fixed type of.
A fixed, but day scale you are getting a pay scale. You are getting a pay scale, but your services will not be regularized, but 0.2 head.
But I think the finance has to file an affidavit.
100%, my lord.
And Union of India also.
Because they have admitted themselves that
Correct.
that
Because-
so let them file it.
Let them file it, yes.
To file for finance.
Mr. Gopal, you file an affidavit.
Only one request, my lord, humble that they file a short. Doesn't take much of time. Even we have time. 3 weeks, he said.
Yes, Mr. Gogoi, you file it because your affidavit will be required.
And Union of India can also,
And Union of
because
India
that
is
also is
appealing.
important.
You file an affidavit. You also file an affidavit. Okay, heard Mr. D. Das, the learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. Your name?
R. Islam.
R. Islam. For the petitioners, also heard Mr. B. Gogoi, the learned additional advocate general, for respondent numbers. For finance department. For finance department, Mr. T. Chotia for. Okay, लिख लेना, लिख लो, then लिखी by additional, then MS. SS Roy, the Central Government Council, ठीक है? Mr.
6 and 7, I think.
Mr. B. Gogoi, Mr. B. Gogoi, learned additional advocate general, pays for 2 weeks time to file an affidavit. You stop. Similarly, the council appearing for the Union of India is also paying for 2 weeks time to file an affidavit in the instant case. You stop. 2 weeks time allowed to the respective councils to file their their affidavits, full stop. Let the matter be listed
No, after 3 weeks.
after,
After
af-
the
after
lordship
3
can
weeks.
fix a date, after view,
After review.
after
After
view
view.
will be better.
29th, man.
29th is also not,
Let the matter be listed after 29th.
29th.
In the meantime, the parties will complete their pleadings.
Yes, correct. Deeply. Oh, yes.
Thus, you are filing any reply to this.
Yes, only one, what is important in this case, the record is necessary, my lord. If the record, our whole case is that the enquiry report has not been furnished to us. Now, my lord, the record will reveal whether it has been furnished or not. They could not justify that on which date it was furnished to us. They said only an enquiry report was given to us.
Now, what is their stand on the
Now,
affidavit?
please, first, my lord, please look into, because apparently from the impugn order at page 35,
Yes.
I think record is necessary. Please see 35. This is the impugn at page 35. The third paragraph, kindly see. Whereas as part of departmental proceeding, the superintendent special jail Nagaon was appointed as enquiry officer by this office order dated so and so to inquire in detail about the incident, and he submitted the enquiry report by this letter dated 10/4/2025, wherein it was established so and so, that is a petitioner, is found to have displayed gross negligence in discharging his duty, which led to the incident of escape of 5 dreaded under trial criminal. As such, the charge of violation of so and so by delinquent warder Anup Kumar Malakar has been established. After disposal of so and so without prejudice as per so and so, is hereby removed from service from his gross negligence and dereliction of duties in connection with so and so, so and
Yes,
so.
but what is their stand?
Now
What
his
is their
stand,
But their main case is only on the basis of the fact that no inquiry report was given to them. So what is your stand? Will produce the record. Okay, heard Mr. D. Das, the learned senior counsel. This is that by Mr. K. M. Mohammed, K. Hamid, the learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. T. Chutia, the learned additional senior government advocate for all the respondents. For all the respondents, full stop. An affidavit in opposition has already been filed by the respondents. Our reply is to be filed by the petitioner, full stop. Full stop. In the meantime, now let the matter be listed after 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, in 3 weeks, full stop. In the meantime, the petitioner will file the affidavit in reply if so advised, full stop. On the next date of listing, the learned counsel for the respondent, additional senior government appearing for the respondents will produce the records of the case before this court.
departmental proceeding, whether inquiry report.
Regarding the departmental proceeding, right? Regarding the departmental proceeding impugned in the instant petition.
If it is not inconvenient, can you fix on 29 itself?
29.
If it is over,
29.
29 of April.
29th of April.
April.
29th of April. So produce the record.
Deeply off. 29.
In this case, I am entitled to 100% compensation family pension lordship, but it has been given, not given for 1 month, 1 year, 6 months. It
has been given from your date of application, not from the death.
Yeah, yes.
So what is the law?
The instruction follows, it says that there is a notification issued by the Pension and Public Grievances Department, which says that it shall become payable either from the date when the notification was issued or from the date of application. Now that notification out there is not on the challenge matter. This is my instruction. Probably you have to challenge the notification.
You have paid him from the date of application. Date of application. He is asking for from the date of death of the death of the incumbent. Mr. Mohanto, if that is so,
I have to go to the lordship. I have go to the notification lordship. আছে নি এটা করতে? কেতিয়া লেখা?
Instruction will do more.
18 or 18? Yes, it is. Notification is 18, but I am claiming on 19 after notification lordship.
so after notification, then that means then you'll be getting from the date of application. You don't have any case.
Notification is lordship.
See, notification is 2018.
18.
Either from the date of notification or date of application, whichever is later.
Which was later.
So you don't have any case.
The notification lordship, I have to see lordship. Lordship.
I mean, you want some time to take,
Lordship, lordship. Go to the.
you just go through it.
Yeah,
But
lordship.
otherwise, like if the notification prevails, then you don't have a
Yes.
case.
Yes, lordship. Otherwise, I have to challenge this notification.
You'll have to challenge.
Lordship.
I heard Mr. D. Mohanta, the learned counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also, Mr. B. Sharma, the learned counsel, appearing for the for the accountant general from Assam. Full stop. Mr. Sharma has produced a
Dated 9/1/2026. At the bottom, my lord, it's
communication dated 9/1/2026 received from the office of the accountant general, which provides that if provides that
Notification is dia apa?
we can.
which provides that the eligibility for family compassionate family pension, right? Compassionate family pension will be with effect from the date of application by the incumbent or from the date of coming into effect of the instant notification dated coming into effect from the notification dated 9/8/2008 full stop. The aforesaid notification or the aforesaid communication is kept on record by marking X full stop. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner prays for some more time to go through the notification and go through the notification full stop. Prayer is allowed. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Otherwise, when rule is there, notification can override it or not. I have to see lordship.
No, you'll have to see now because I mean, if the notification, I mean, in terms of notification, you are getting it, so you don't have any case. So you have been given on from the date of application. So that you are getting.
No. My application is earlier. My application is after the date. I have after the date I have applied lordship.
But
it has,
in your petition, you have not mentioned any date when you have applied. Did you?
I think I have mentioned it several times.
As far as I recollect, you have not mentioned that. But anyways, you go through this and find out, Mr. Mohata.
Yes. Para 9 I have written that. I'll go
through it.
Oblige.
Lordship, against the inclusion order dated 14/8/25 by the I have impugned. Now, my lord, here in this case, my lord, on 4/7/2024, the petitioner was appointed as Gauhati, and subsequently, without issuing any notice on 16/7/24, my appointment was set aside. Being aggrieved with that order, my lord, I have approached this honorable court by filing a petition, my lord. Start from page 13, my lord. In the honorable court, lordship operative part start from lordship page 15 onwards, my lord. Paragraph 5. It is seen that a general meeting was held by.
One second.
My lord, sir. 15.
Page?
Page 15, my lord. 15.
Yes.
So paragraph 5, my lord. It is seen that a general meeting was held by the villagers on 30/7/2024, in which it was resolved that respondent should be appointed as Gauhati.
The meeting resolution, which is the next election one in affidavit document, shows that respondent has signed the proceeding as the Gaura of the Santa while his appointment had been issued subsequently only on 16/7/24. But that as it may be, it appears that the petitioner has not given an opportunity of hearing prior to removal from the post of Gaura, since the inquiry appears to have been conducted the very same day on which additional secretary had communicated to the Lord Patwari. Under the circumstances, there being violation of principle of natural justice, the impugn order dated Santo is found unsustainable and accordingly set aside. However, setting aside, Santo would not mean an automatic reinstatement of the petitioner. Therefore, now, my lord, after this order, my lordship, again, my lord, meeting was held, my
Meeting with whom?
to consider whether appointment of the petitioner
Hmm?
for against the cancellation of the petitioner's appointment, my lord. Now, my lord, kindly have a look, my lord.
No, I mean, yeah, this order said that the other person's appointment has been set aside.
Set aside, my lord.
Set aside, but it doesn't say that you should be
No,
appointed.
no, appointment, my lord.
So there has to be process of appointment.
No, my lord, appointment, my lord, in Dimasa, my lord, villagers used to select, my lord. This is traditionally following for several
No,
people.
is there any customary law?
No, my lord, traditionally followed, I have specifically stated in my paragraph, my lord. 3, my lord, page 4.
Okay, there was a meeting happened, then what happened?
Now, my lord, in spite of this, the honorable courts were not followed, my lord. In spite of the order of this honorable court, my lord, she was continued to, private husband was continued to hold the post of Gavura, my lord. That I can show, my lord. Page,
Then he filed a contempt petition.
no, my lord, because contempt is pending, my lord, against the non-compliance of the
No,
order.
you are saying that like in spite of the order, in spite of his removal, he is doing, he's performing the duty of the Gambura.
No, my lord, already this honorable court, I have on 48 order has been stayed, my lord. Kindly have a look, my lord, page 25, my lord, the impugn order.
Yes.
In pursuance of the Honorable High Court order dated so the undersigned has reputed Mojadar of so by dated the hearing. Accordingly, a meeting was convened in Pramanik village and every effort has been made to be heard both the sides at length. However, both the parties were unwilling to negotiate with each other. And in view of the joint meeting report submitted by Mojadar of so to Assistant Revenue Officers on Lord Patwari, the North Kachar Autonomous Council has decided that Sri so shall decide the Gaubura as until further orders. Once set aside by this honorable court, my lord. And my lord, kindly have a look, lordship. The order itself shows that he was the Gaubura. Paragraph number in copy to my lord. At the bottom, my lord. Copy to at serial number 6, my lord. Joymoto Hojai, Gaubura of so village, my lord. Although he was his appointment was set aside by this honorable court, my lord. Now, my lord, they have filed an affidavit, my lord, where there is stand that, my lord, affidavit in opposition by the official respondents, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, page 6, my lord, page 18, paragraph 6.
Page?
Page 18, my lord. 27. Sorry, my lord, 27. Paragraph 6, my lord. That deponent beg to state that as per paragraph 6(4) of the customary law of village administration under so it is specifically stated the autonomous council authority has to approve the appointment of so as Sarkari Gaura of the village. Anyway, if a case of controversy arises, otherwise decision of the chief executive member of so with decision of the executive committee on the appointment of is final. Now, my lord,
Respondent number 3, somebody is appearing.
Yes, sir.
Recently means Wakalatnama you have filed or you have not filed? When you have filed? Approximate dates. You have the copy of the petition. You serve a copy, then he doesn't have a copy also.
My
You serve him a copy.
lordship.
When my lord, I'll serve my lord, registered post, speed post I've sent. Subsequently, by virtue of this honorable court, I furnished it before the additional secretary also, my. I'll serve that, no problem.
You serve a copy then,
Ma'am.
only since he's appearing now.
My only thing that I thought, date.
Madam, what is your stand that, I mean, see, there was a specific order from this court that, there was a violation of principle of natural justice and his removal was not good. But that's a specific finding, right? But in spite of that, maybe it's a customary village council or whatever. In spite of that, he has been allowed to be continued. So
In the meantime, I will also go through the records. What are the procedures for arriving in the hearing?
you find it out. Okay, heard Mr.
Yes, sir.
Taylor and counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. P. Chakraborty, the learned. You're standing counsel for NCLs, standing counsel for Dima Hazar. Dima Hazar district. And Mr. P.K. Borua for respondent number 3. Mr. P.K. Borua, the learned counsel appearing for respondent number 3 has submitted that he has not received the copy of the writ petition as yet, as he has filed a Wakalatnama very recently, full stop. In view of the aforesaid, he seeks some time to respond to the writ petition, full stop. And MSP Chakraborty also seeks some time to get proper instruction in the matter, in the instant case, full stop. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner shall serve a copy of the petition to the counsel appearing for the respondent number 3
During course of
during the course of the day, full stop. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
a date may be fixed. Ma'am.
Give him a date.
My. Obliged. On that day, my lord, an endeavor may be made, shall make to dispose the writ petition.
Court always wants to make endeavor to finish it.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship. Matter relates to pension.
Yes, madam, what is happening? Anything?
Instructions here. Actually, we wanted some specific instructions from the petitioner regarding non-marriage certificate and undertaking and the clarification regarding date of birth and etc. She didn't furnish it as yet.
Have you filed an affidavit?
No, we have not filed.
So why don't you file an affidavit in this matter? I think affidavit will be required in this matter because
I did not
you are
receive the letter.
contending certain things.
I did not receive the letter.
Hmm?
I didn't receive such type of letter.
You did not receive what?
The letter, I think it's a letter.
This letter was issued 9th of January 2026.
I didn't receive your.
Anyways, later file an affidavit. Then the instruction will be
Okay,
complete.
sir.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard B. Chakraborty, the learned counsel appearing for Dima South Numbers Council. Also, madam, you are also appearing for someone? MS so-and-so, Ms. M. Sharma, for respondent number 2 and 4. You also appearing, Mr. H. Chakraborty for respondent number 1 and 3. Anybody else appearing?
Respondent number 6 on behalf of Mr. Edson.
As per?
Respondent number 6 on behalf of Mr. Edson.
MSP Chakraborty submits that she would like to file an affidavit in the instant case, and therefore 2 weeks time may be granted to her. Prayer is allowed, let the matter be fixed after 2 weeks. After 3 weeks. After
Obliged.
3 weeks.
Sorry, my lord, item number 30, interim order may be continued.
Interim orders.
Obliged.
Interim orders of past earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Okay, sir.
They for some time to file that.
My lord, is purely covert case, my lord.
There is no order for regularization in the present institution. Then I will have to ascertain. If it is regularized, then it will be covered. So let me
It
have
is-
the instruction on that point.
So affidavit will not be required.
Yes, instruction will do.
Instructions will do.
My lord, already I annexed the regularization order, my lord, here.
Then let him confirm it. Heard Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard Mr. B. Gogoi, the learned additional advocate general. Mr. Gogoi is appearing for
I appear for the PWD.
the PW department.
I will have the specific instruction.
And Mr. B. Sharma for
Three.
respondent number 3 AG and
Lost.
respondent number 2, full stop. Mr. B. Gogoi, the learned additional advocate general submits that he needs to have an instruction as regarding whether the petitioner was regularized or not. He submits that with that specific instruction, the matter can be disposed of. In view of the aforesaid submission, let the matter be listed. Listed. How much time?
3 weeks. Let it be after 3
My
weeks.
lord,
Let the matter be 3 weeks time is granted to Mr. Gogoi
After PU, madam.
to get the proper instruction. Let the matter be listed after the ensuing BU vacation.
20th of April, my lord.
Huh?
20th of April, my lord.
The reopening.
20th of April,
Yes, my lord.
24th April.
24th.
Met with your lordship. My lord, in the light of the last order, 21st November, there is a direction to my lord to complete the instruction as to file a affidavit, my lord. And in
Who is appearing for the Union of India?
by the apni clear kore dibe. Ei to.
Instruction is safe, okay?
Hmm. Okay, this is a state government.
Yes, sir.
So you,
Within 3 weeks.
2 weeks since instruction is 2 weeks, my lord. My retirement is 2020. So, my lord, 2 weeks.
if I
That may be fixed, my lord.
Yes.
heard Mr. P. Deka, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard MMS S. Borua
As Burma for all.
for S. Borua, learned government advocate for all the respondents. MS Borua submits that she has received the instructions and prays for 2 weeks time to file an affidavit in opposition in the instant case. So let the matter be listed on the
Vacation. Before view vacation, kindly. Deeply obliged, my lord.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, on the last occasion when the matter was listed, your lordship, for motion, your lordship, notice of motion has been issued, your lordship, with a specific direction to the state respondents to seek instructions and to file necessary affidavit, your lordship. Your lordship, in this matter, your lordship, I have challenged the very punishment order, your lordship, imposition of.
No one is there. No one is there.
Yes, your
Who
lordship.
is appearing for the forest department? Is forest or
Yes, your lordship.
forest department? Okay, heard Mrs. So-and-so, the
Yes,
counsel
Deka, your
appearing for the petitioner. Your name?
D.S. Deka, your lordship.
From D.S. Deka and counsel for the petitioner. None appeared for the forest department when the matter was called for. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Your lordship, I pray for a date, your lordship, because your lordship promotion has
But
already
please
been
give
effected,
it.
your lordship.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
35 to 37.
May I finish, Your Lordship? Lordship, pass over the matter for timely.
No affidavit is in file.
One at least file in item number 36. And item number 35 was we discuss about file affidavit.
So item number
36.
35, we have got some instruction.
35 I have got
We have got the instruction in file. Okay, heard Mrs. So-and-so, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. T. Chutia, the learned additional senior government advocate for which respondent you are appearing for all? Museum Department, Commissioner and Secretary, Assam, India, all respondents, right?
Yes, sir.
For all the respondents. He submits that he has received instructions in the matter and an affidavit will be filed shortly. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks. And what about 36?
We have already filed affidavit, madam. I think that item number 35 is filed after item number 36.
Okay.
The number is repeated 7625. He is 6795 last time.
Yes.
Yes. He was
So, and another matter 37?
37 is no, 35 and 36.
37 also analysis. In 36, you write the affidavit of opposition by the respondents have already been filed.
With 33.
Same person.
Same person, madam. I will see, madam. I will see. Wait, 37, that is your point.
Okay, 37 also you write 2 weeks time granted to the learned additional senior government advocate to file affidavit. No affidavit has been filed probably.
Yes, sir. I have received the instruction. Instruction means not. Yes, sir. I have received. I will file.
So you write instructions received, affidavit will be filed within 2 weeks. 37, 36 affidavit already filed.
Obliged.
Hmm?
Awaiting instruction.
Okay, I heard Mr. L.R. Muzumdar, land counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. R.R. Gogoi for the land standing counsel,
PhD department.
PhD. So Gogoi submits that he is awaiting instructions in the matter. So we have praise for 2 weeks time. List the matter after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks.
Lordship, a date maybe.
If they want giving more.
Obliged.
49.
No affidavit, madam, what's happening?
Lordship.
Why do you always pray for some time? Huh? Why do you always pray for some time? You don't file your affidavits in time. Okay, heard Mr. S.
Yes, Mr.
S. Count, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard Ms. R. Deb appearing on behalf of
SS Roy.
S.S. Roy, the CGC, full stop. Ms. Deb submits that she is yet to receive the instructions in the matter, therefore prays for 2 weeks time. Full stop to complete her instructions. 2 weeks time allowed.
There's an interim order. It may be extended.
Interim order so passed earlier, where shall we continue with the next date of listing, full stop. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks, give him one date. 10th of April, let the matter be listed on 10th of April.
40.
Maybe, Lordship. In this case, my lord, yesterday, my lord, respondent filed an affidavit, my lord. So it may not be on record, my lord. Maybe it's not.
So you will file reply.
Not necessary, my lord. Not necessary, my lord.
I
Next week, my lord.
heard Mr. So-and-so, the counsel appearing. You have gone through the affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
I don't fall to file reply.
Okay, my lord.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. He submits that an affidavit in opposition has been filed by who has filed it?
Respondent, my lord. Respondents, my lord. Is not specific, my lord. One Rajesh Kumar, my lord.
affidavit in opposition has been filed on behalf of the respondents, full stop, full stop. Later matter will listed after 2 weeks.
127, my lord.
The affidavit has been filed, however, the same is not on record, huh? On the same is not record. Let the registry to bring the same on record. Later matter will listed after 2 weeks. 2 weeks after 2 weeks.
Matter may dispose of, my lord.
2 weeks.
And kindly see my consideration, my lord. Petitioner participate in the recruitment of constables.
2 weeks. 2 weeks time.
Date may be fixed then, my lord. Any date, my lord.
Give him a date.
Obliged, my lord.
Lordship, this is the second bail applications, Lordship.
Hmm.
And your Lordship's last order page 60.
So what is the additional affidavit?
Additional affidavit, Lordship, we have bring on record, Lordship.
Hmm.
The last rejection order and Lordship, meanwhile, some.
Last.
Your Lordship's last rejection order and Lordship, meanwhile, 2 persons released on interim anticipatory bail.
Who is released the anticipatory bail?
Anticipatory bail.
Who? Who has,
Co-accused. FIR name.
co-accused has been released on anticipatory bail.
Yes.
And now matter is pending for what? Charge sheet file.
Appearance, charge sheet file.
Charge sheet file for appearance.
For appearance, Lordship.
Hmm.
In charge sheet, Lordship, 3 persons shown to have been arrested,
Hmm.
including the present petition.
And 1 person has been given bail.
Lordship, 2 persons.
2 persons have been given bail. Anticipatory bail.
Anticipatory. And my name was not mentioned in the FIR, Lordship. And my earlier bail petition was.
But you are now facing the trial.
Yes, Lordship.
Hmm?
Yes. 200, Lordship, 34 days, Lordship.
Hmm.
And my 234 days, and my earlier bail application was rejected during investigation. And when I was.
You are Jahidul Islam.
Yes.
Hmm.
Mustaq Hussain, Lordship. Mustaq.
And who are given bail? Anticipatory bail.
Lordship, page 63.
Page 60?
3. Page 63.
63.
Yes, Lord.
'63, there is nothing. What 63?
63 additional affidavit, Lordship.
Yes, additional affidavit. There are 2 FIRs here.
Yes, Lordship.
Hmm?
Yes, Lord.
But you have been given bail only on the basis of that in the mother's FIR, the name was not there. Co-accused.
Lordship, in the
Mr. Locker, 2 FIRs were there. In one affair, the names have been properly mentioned. And another affair was lost by the disease of the mother. There may not have been all the names because she was an old lady. Now bail has been granted on the basis of that affair because names were not mentioned there. I mean that thing should have been pointed out to the court.
my name is not mentioned in both the affairs, Lordship.
Your name is there in the deposition.
Deposition, Lordship, Lordship, on statement, Lordship, 1 person has eyewitnesses specifically indicated.
Lordship, 234 days, Lordship, and Lordship, 15 persons, Lordship, showing absconder. I am 3 persons we are arrested, Lordship. And it will take, Lordship, couple of months, Lordship, to start even trial, Lordship. 234 days, Lordship.
So you have been alleged for murder, isn't it?
That is in another case, Lordship. This is also going on, Lordship, in suspected manner, Lordship. In this case also has been admitted. Lordship, at this lordship stage, lordship, I may be released lordship 234 days lordship. There is no likelihood of lordship commencing even trial lordship. 15% evading arrest lordship. Only 3 persons have been arrested. Lordship, kindly see the charge sheet.
What is the charge sheet?
Charge sheet relevant portion page 26 lordship.
Page 26.
Lordship, second paragraph, therefore.
Yes, your name is Mandu, right?
Yes, lordship, man.
Properly initiate trial against so and so, so and so, so and so. So that then what happened?
Lordship, 3 persons against 3 persons charge sheet has arrested against have been filed, and 15 persons still is absconding lordship. So it will take some lordship couple of months lordship, even starting the trial lordship. And 234 days lordship since the date of occurrence lordship, we are in jail lordship. I am in jail.
Brutal killing of a person.
So there is
In-
no
inside the
specific
house.
allegations against the present petitioner.
Eyewitnesses stated about you, Mr.
Lordship,
A eyewitness. You will not get bail so easily. Third, Mr. Well, pass the order after.
allow me to read the FIR part, lordship.
Yes.
Page 13. This FIR has been filed by the wife of the informant lordship, implicating these 8 persons lordship, and she claimed to be an eyewitness of the incident lordship. At that time lordship, my name has not been implicated lordship. 8 persons were implicated lordship. When the FIR was filed by the wife of the informant, she was the eyewitness of the incident lordship. Subsequently, case was developed lordship. I have been implicated lordship. And another aspect of the lordship, I am not fled away from the police.
Is it developed or is it after the investigation?
Lordship, ultimately, those persons who are examined lordship, they may be lordship, some enmity with me lordship. Some persons who are examined lordship, they implicated me lordship. But lordship, the persons, the wife lordship, not implicated me in the affair lordship. 8 persons are implicated, and FIR name 21 persons also released on bail lordship on the ground that there is no specific allegation of inflicting injury to the deceased lordship. There is no lordship in the throughout the FIR lordship, I have done, there is no specific allegation against the present petitioner inflicting the deceased lordship. There is no specific allegations lordship. And lordship, from 234 days lordship, at this stage lordship, I may be released on bail lordship. No purpose will serve lordship keeping me in jail lordship. It will take another couple of months lordship, since 15 request persons lordship absconding, only 3 persons arrested. So lordship, kindly lordship allow me to go on bail lordship. All the prime request already been absconding lordship, they are absconding.
Some of the activities absconding. There cannot be a ground for seeking bailers because they may be arrested on tomorrow also. We do not know. But that cannot be.
Third, Mr. Mr. Sarkar, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also appearing for the accused applicant, also heard Mr. P.S. Locker, the learned APP for the state. This is an application under section 483 BNSS, comma 2023 for grant of bail to the accused applicant, namely Mustaq Hussain, Mustaq Hussain alias Mandu, who was arrested on 26/7/2025 in connection with Gauripur Police Station case number 234/2025, registered under sections 61 in bracket 2/103 in bracket 1 of BNS 2023, corresponding to GR number 799/2025. The gist of the case, as has been narrated in the FIR, is that one Lufta Bibi, wife of the deceased, Moniruz Jaman Sheikh, lodged an FIR before the officer in charge of Gauripur Police Station, alleging that on 21/5/2025 at around 8 p.m., some accused persons named in the FIR have killed her husband in her house using various weapons such as turbal, dagger, etc. Full stop. Where is the other affair, mother's affair?
Mother seven, we have not annexed lordship, and in the charge sheet, investigation lordship stated the FIR was
Receipt
closed.
of the FIR, the police registered the case on 22/5/2025 as Gauripur Police Station case number 234/2025 under the aforementioned sections. During the investigation, the investigating authority arrested the accused applicant on 26/7/2025, and since then, for the last 234 days, he is behind the bars. The learned counsel appearing for the accused applicant submits that his name was not there in the FIR when the FIR was filed by the wife of the deceased. Full stop. He submits that since charge sheet has already been filed and trial is pending, and he has already spent 234 days in the instant case, he should be allowed to go on bail. Full stop. He further submits that in the charge sheet, several persons have been shown as absconders, and they are yet to be arrested. Full stop. In view of the aforesaid, he submits that since the trial will take considerable time, he should be allowed to go on bail. Full stop. The learned DPP, on the other hand, submits that there are sufficient materials implicating the accused applicant in the incident alleged in the FIR. Full stop.
I just wanted to add that another.
You are appearing for?
The informant.
Mr. So-and-so appearing for the informant as opposes the bail.
That two FIRs have been lodged by.
Opposes the bail.
After the registration of this FIR, that they have threatened her to withdraw the case, lordship, the relatives of the.
Submits, Mr. So-and-so submits, the learned counsel appearing for the informant submits that another FIR dated.
Dated 12/9/2025.
The second one,
The second one is 12/3/2025.
12/3/2026, filed by the mother of the deceased.
The informant herself.
The informant herself. The informant. This is the second FIR filed by her.
That's right.
Filed by the wife of the deceased after getting after being threatened by the accused persons in the instant case. Full stop. He opposes the bail application. Full stop. This court has gone through the materials, but this court has gone through the TCR that has been received in the instant case, and having found prima facie materials against the accused applicant, accused applicant. Full stop. No, not full stop. Having found prima facie materials against the accused applicant, is not convinced that any ground made out in the instant case to release the accused applicant on bail at this stage. Full stop. In view of the aforesaid, the instant bail application is rejected and disposed of. Rejected.
What is
May it please, your lordship. Dear my lord, lordship was pleased to call for the case that it was earlier rejected or.
Yes, that is come.
We have received the case that's updated on 12/25.
Updation, I mean, whether it is required.
Yeah, my lord.
It is not required.
Lordship.
They tell me how you are affiliated
Yes, yes.
to
that-
this Institute of Health
yes,
Science
yes,
and
that question is,
Paramedical Technology.
yes, my lord, here, my lord, before my lord.
You are saying that you are affiliated to United Accreditation Management Licensing Services.
Yes, here what has happened, my lord, to be fair enough, my lord, they have filed one writ petition also, my lord, for seeking NOC, my lord. They have given several documents in that writ petition, my lord. Because, my lord, it is a fact, my lord, on the basis of these documents only, that it is running, my
But
lord.
these are fake documents.
Not fake, my lord. These
How
are
you
not a
found, like,
possibly,
you show how you have been
No.
accredited to this organization from United Kingdom.
my lord, these are the documents, my lord, and only thing what I, my lord, here, my lord, what is there may be some irregularity, my lord. Possibly no illegality, my lord. Here, because, my lord, their
So
certificate.
what is irregularity and what is illegality?
Irregularity, because, my lord, whatever is necessary, my lord, that NOC and whatever other documents, my lord, there is one PIL was also filed before this honorable court, my lord, that is 27th, my lord, but that is regarding pharmaceutical, my lord, not paramedical. But my lord, possibly, my lord, the same thing would, my lord, whether NOC, affiliation and my lord, permission, my lord, these things are required, my lord, or not, or whether all those in the PIL, my lord, whether those institute were having those or not, my lord. That is one aspect, my lord. And we have also filed one application, my lord, writ petition, my lord, before this honorable court. And that also, my
Writ
lord,
petition for what?
my lord, for that NOC, because we have filed application before the DME, my lord, the government of Assam, my lord, for the other required documents, my lord. Those, whatever.
The required documents subsequently.
Yes, because, but applications were given, my lord, around, my lord, 8-10 months back, my lord. Those are there. My lord, here, my lord, lordship, absolutely pertinent query, my lord, but my lord, can kindly see that our certificate, my lord, but on the basis of page 38 once, my lord. And we never claim that, my lord, it is also, we never claim that on the basis of this certificate, you will be getting job, my lord. Because somebody, my lord, some institute, they accept it and some other doesn't accept it. Kindly have a look at page 38, my lord. That it was bio institute, it was given, my lord, certification to one so-and-so. Kindly see the name, my lord.
Have you verified all this?
Because city was lying here since last 2 months. So all those documents could not be verified. I will also proceed. That is, it is to be verified.
These documents has to be verified.
My lord, we will submit all documents, whatever we have, my lord, and lordship kindly protect them. My lord, and another aspect, on one legal aspect, my lord, because here,
No,
my
there
lord,
is no question of protecting them.
my lord, kindly, my lord, because, my lord, kindly see, my lord.
No question of protecting
My
them.
lord, otherwise,
Get an updated CD.
my lord, can I pray
and-
one thing? No, I leave it to your lordship discretion, absolutely, my lord, because now, my lord, recently, my lord, that.
No, you cannot
No, my lord,
go on issuing false certificates
my lord,
and see you are submitting that you have not guaranteed them job.
yes, my lord.
Correct. Nobody
Yes.
guarantees the job.
Yes, my lord.
But if you submit some false fake certificates,
No, my lord. With all
yeah, fake
respect, my lord,
certificates means I'm not saying. I mean, see, a certificate which is you are not supposed to issue
my
that
lord.
you have issued. You are claiming that you are affiliated to this. I am affiliated to that. I have this document.
Those are,
that
yes, my
document.
lord.
But those are not there.
But those affiliations, even kindly see, my lord, government of India, my lord, that Udayam's registration, we are there, my lord, because in
That
Udayam,
anybody can get it, Mr.
that is true, that is true. But
then
we are there, my, and lordship is absolutely correct. My kindly see page 38. That
let them come back with the. I mean, we'll give 1 week time. Let them
can I pray
come back.
another aspect, lordship? I leave it to absolute lordship discretion, my lord. Here, my lord, on the basis of that certificate, my lord, page 38. Kindly have a look at page 39, my lord.
39, somebody is.
Yes, my lord. That same person, my lord, she got this, my lord, appointment letter. And my lord, yeah, that is true. That no, that is. And another aspect,
Mr.
kindly.
Chaudhary, let him get this thing.
One
No
point, my lord.
protection at
I
this.
mean, insist kindly only on one count, my lord. Kindly, my lord. My lord, here, my lord, the maximum punishment is 7 years, my lord. And my lord, it is now mandatory, my lord, to issue 41 notice. That now 35(3), whether it has been issued or that I'm placing before, because
No, that will be found when they
We-
get this.
my lord, we say we have not been served, my lord. And kindly have a look at this. It's a recent judgment, my lord. Earlier, Ernest Kumar, thereafter, until, my lord. Now, absolutely now recent, my lord. Kindly have a look once, my lord. This was passed around 2 months back, my lord. Because here, my lord, that issuance of, kindly see, my lord, para 33, my lord, that last page, my lord,
33 of
that judgment, my lord.
until.
These are the latest one, my lord.
No, Satyendra Kumar until.
Yes, same case, same person, my lord,
Yeah.
but the latest passed by the Honorable Apex Court, my lord.
Page para.
Para 33. Lordship, may I kindly see D, my lord. Is a rule, my lord, nowadays, my lord. Has to be given, my lord. And because 7 years, my lord, arrest is also not mandatory. That arrest needs to be done, my lord, in this sort of cases, my lord, where punishment is 7 years. Lordship knows everything, my lord. But this is a recent judgment. That's why I'm placing before.
This is what I'm aware of. But now
Matter
we have
I'm something that he's dying things last 2-3 months.
or 35(3) is there or not? See,
Lordship.
section 35(3) notice is there or not?
It is not here because alia it was not mandatory. Consideration it written the lordship and since
No,
the
no, it was, Mr.
was.
Lockhart, it was there in the statute.
Yes.
Only thing is that like now,
it says lordship, if person is his custodial interrogation is not required, then he may be allowed to go on bail by serving for satisfactory notice. That is the statute. That what I
it doesn't say so. You read
I'm saying.
35(3).
Section 35(3).
Yes.
The police officer shall, in
Hmm.
all cases where the arrest of a person is not required,
Hmm.
under subsection 1,
Hmm.
issue a notice directing the person against whom a reasonable complaint has been made, or credible information has been received, or a reasonable suspicion exists that he has committed a cognizable offense, to appear before him or such other places, or may be specified in the notice. So, in the first
Now, where is the question of giving bail?
no, the police officer said in all cases where the arrest of a person is not required.
I mean, where is the question of giving bail there? He was just calling him.
Lordship.
He was just calling him. And I mean, and another thing is that this is, I mean, when you call him, then this notice has to be given. If you have a reasonable, I mean, suspect, and you have a complaint, you bring that updated status whether it has been given or not. I mean, let it be in the next week. I mean, no protection till then.
If because of this, with all this, it will be.
But these are serious offences which have
will
been
be fairness
committed.
of, we'll produce all documents, my lord. They will,
No,
they will
no, heard
verify, my
Mr.
lord.
H. Chaudhary, the learned counsel appearing for the accused applicants, also heard Mr. P.S. Lockhart, the learned APP for the state. Mr. P.S. Lockhart is directed to get the updated CD and produce before the court on the next date of listing. That is on
On 8th or 9th of April. Sorry, 8th of April.
today is what? Today is
Today is 18th.
18th. Get it by 26th
26th, it may not come because the verification part will be.
because it's an IB application.
So, then,
Hmm? 30th. Okay, 30th.
Can I add one line, my lord? That I am taking that plea, my lord, 35(3). Let him take instruction, my lord.
No, that's why we have
Because-
asked.
yes, yes,
That
yes.
is
Yo,
why
my
we
lord,
have-
that is mandated.
Now, if that is not there, then your thing will be considered.
My lord.
That is not there.
It's a matter of rule, my lord.
Yes.
Now, with all respect, much obliged, man.
Mr. Chaudhary, you can keep this. I mean,
My lord.
you'll require this.
I have one here.
You will keep it there.
Much obliged.
Please do that.
This matter pertains to non-payment of leave encashment benefit.
Item number
13, madam.
13. Yes, who is appearing for the other side?
APGCL is there.
APGCL. Is there any standing counsel for them?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is there?
Madam, Mr. D. Nath was the parent.
The only issue is that whether it has been, I mean, you have, I mean, applied for the job in, what is that organization? NICL,
NSCL.
with the proper channel or not. That is the issue. If they say that you have applied for the, I mean, applied with the, through the proper channel, then it's gone. I mean, nothing is there. So let him come.
Yes.
For time being, you pass it on.
26.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary, that only small issue, that censure is a punishment or not? And yeah, in your rules, whether it's a punishment. So you are supposed to take an instruction on this.
With regard to the area salary, that is on the process within 1 or 2 days, it will be given to.
No, his case is not area salary.
Yes, okay.
His case is, I mean, he is not being considered for promotion because of this punishment, penalty of censure or punishment of censure, whatever. Now, last time this court has directed that to find out whether on that basis you can bar somebody from considering him for promotion to the next post, higher post.
Lordship, for consideration, first of all, he will have, Lordship, let us keep aside the punishment part.
No, the
For the purpose-
question is only punishment for nothing else.
No, Lordship, he has to satisfy the eligibility condition. There is a Lordship departmental examination. He has passed out the written examination, but the practical he is yet to pass. Then only he will be taken into consideration for promotion to the next level.
But your contention was that because of censure, he was not
No,
taken into consideration.
Never. Lordship, can he?
Let us see your affidavit. Have you filed an affidavit?
126, paragraph 9. Last paragraph.
This affidavit was filed when?
Lordship, 21st November.
21st/11/2025. But there are orders passed subsequent to that
Lordship,
asking for the confirmation on this.
Lordship, yes, I have been submitting all along, Lordship. She has appeared only once. Thereafter, she has not appeared.
See, they have a specific statement that is not the ground of not considering you for promotion. Then what do you have to say on that?
Lordship, I have explained in I have.
Have you
explained-
filed a reply? What is
Yes.
your reply?
Lordship, page 135, Lordship, of my reply, Lordship.
Page 135.
Lordship. Paragraph 8.
Mr. Chaudhary, you said para 9, right?
His paragraph 9 reply I have given in paragraph 8.
You said para 9, right?
Mine is.
Para 9.
Lordship.
Yes, your reply?
My reply is in page 135, paragraph 8.
135.
Lordship.
Yes, where?
Paragraph 8, Lordship.
Paragraph 8.
Lordship.
Yes, read.
Lordship, the answering upon states that MSCP benefit has already been allowed to 60 incumbent filed so and so. Since the petitioner had joined service precisely on 12/8/2013 and she had completed 11 years, 3 months, 24 days on the date of issuing the said notification dated 5/12/2024, and as such should have been included in the list, which was not done only because of the vindictive attitude of the respondents. The respondent, instead of stating that the petitioner has now been included in the list of 74 inspector of taxes for MSCP benefit, should have stated the reason for not including her name at the very first instance. As per the Assam Taxation Service Rule 1995 as amended, the total cadre strength of Superintendent of Taxes is 131. And as per Rule 11E, 2/3 strength of the cadre of Superintendent of Taxes is 87 posts. A member must have completed 10 years of service as Inspector of Taxes and must have successfully undergone the training and passed the departmental examination as prescribed under Rule 18.
So you have not passed this.
Also, I have not passed this because I have also given the reason why I have not passed it.
What
Because-
can be a reason
because
of not passing?
This particular syllabus, Lordship, there is a GST. I have not been allowed any GST related work, Lordship. Without GST related law, I have been given GST only in 2024.
Have you raised this ground there?
Where, Lordship?
When you have taken the exam, whether, I mean,
No, I have appeared examination only once, Lordship. Thereafter, I was placed under suspension. Then for that, Lordship, I could not appear, Lordship. And Lordship, just 1 week back, Lordship, another.
but in their rule, is there anything mandatory that, I mean, to take the exam, you'll have to be allotted GST work?
Because this practical
It's a
exam.
department, it's a
practical
departmental exam.
Lordship.
And departmental exam, whether departmental in their rules or regulations, whatever is available, is there any, is there any mandate that somebody, if needs to take the exam, she has to be allotted certain kind of work, then only she can take the exam?
Lordship, this petitioner is the only exception, Lordship, wherein she has not been, this petitioner, she has been only the exception. Others all have been given GST related work. Now, recently I have been given GST related work. That is how I could not, because otherwise, Lordship, this petitioner, Lordship, she is first class pass in all her university examinations. She is a gold medalist. She could have cleared her practical exams long back, Lordship. Now, juniors have been promoted as superintendent of taxes.
No, see, this exam is given to whom? Somebody who has crossed
Practical.
certain period of time, right?
Plus 10 years.
It cannot be given, at any point of time.
Plus.
So after passing, serving 10 years, then only you are eligible for this
Plus.
examination.
Plus.
And you have been given that examination.
Plus.
You have been given an opportunity to take the examination and you could not clear it.
Because at the point of time also.
Now, what was the case that you have made out here in the petition?
Lordship, in this writ petition, Lordship, my prayer is for, Lordship, promoting to the post of superintendent of taxes and removal of the penalty of censure, Lordship. Only that much, Lordship.
So how
Because-
can you be promoted when you have not cleared the exam, and this is not a consideration for not promoting you?
Because without GST related work, Lordship, and it was a vindictive thing, Lordship, because I was placed under suspension. And during the period of suspension also, Lordship, I could not appear. One
Suspended
exam,
for what?
suspension for not joining the transport post at once, Lordship. I joined, but after some time, because I was suffering from, Lordship, illness, Lordship. She was
That's-
suffering from BTRS.
That's a different issue altogether.
Lordship. And the inquiry report, Lordship, there's no any adverse thing, Lordship, against me, Lordship. And with regard to regularization part, Lordship, that has been, Lordship, already allowed by this honorable court in my first writ petition, Lordship, which I have, Lordship, also annexed in my affidavit in reply. Lordship, I should be considered, Lordship, on the next available thing, Lordship, by removing the penalty of censure, Lordship. Only that much, Lordship. You're going to come this promotion. 14 marks of this. It was tradition. 8%. No, it's a regular promotion.
Mrs. Chaudhary, this modified assured career progression scheme, what are the criteria that she need to have? And one is that 10 years service. And what is the second one? That examination? No, see, this modified assured career progression scheme, the MSCP has been given to 68 persons, right?
Yes.
Whether she is disqualified only because of this remark of censure or because of her disqualification in the examination.
Just few moments back, I got instruction. She has been given MSCP and other areas, like she will be getting about 7 lakh something, Lordship.
MSCP has already been given.
Yes, Lordship.
MSCP already been given.
Yes, Lordship. And including that MSCP area and other area salary component, Lordship. All those are going to be given to her within 2-3 days, Lordship.
if lordship allows me, the lordship may take it up next week. Lordship, in the meantime, everything will be.
No, I mean, see, I mean, there is nothing remains now. What is remaining?
Lordship, this repetition is for Lordship seeking promotion to the. post of
Promotion will have
superintendent.
to, promotion, I mean, they are saying that there is no, impediment into that. Provided you qualify in the examination.
The penalty of.
Provided you, penalty is not an impediment.
Penalty of censure may be removed, Lordship.
No, why it will be removed? It will be there, but like that is not an impediment. Why it will be removed?
Because since my service has been
See,
regularized.
yeah, I
Only
mean, your case was that you have not been considered because of the penalty of censure. Now they are saying that not because of the censure.
Not exactly that, Lordship. My prayer was that I was not allotted any GS related work. As such, I could not appear in the.
No, that's a different
not
thing.
pass the
That
practical
you
exam.
cannot argue here. I mean, because I have not given that, I will not do this thing and that. Now you are getting this, this MSCP, you are getting it. Already it has been given to you. Are you aware?
Lordship, no, because the instruction was sought for in this regard. I have not been given.
MSCP has been given, then areas will be given to you within 2-3 days.
Lordship, this instruction was sought from my learned friend. I have not been given till the Lordship. Yesterday also I have talked with my client.
Lordship, that will be given to her within 2-3 days. Lordship may take it up. My humble prayer will be that Lordship may take it up on next Wednesday. By that time, everything, every process. will
Okay,
be complete.
heard Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. V. Chaudhary, the learned counsel appearing for the taxation department. Taxation department, full stop. You are appearing? Oh, for, anybody else is appearing? No. So the learned, Mr. B. Chaudhary, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, appearing for the taxation department submits that the facility of MSCP has already been given, given to the petitioner, and all areas will be paid to her within 2-3 days. However, to complete his instructions, he requires couple of days more. Full stop. To obtain written instructions, he needs couple of days more. Full stop. In view of the aforesaid submission, let the matter be listed on next Thursday.
Yes, ma'am.
Next Thursday will be 26th.
Alright,
No, 25th.
25th. Alright.
Let the matter be listed on 25th. You also take instructions.
Yes.
Because I don't think there is anything left in the matter now.
25th.
43 and 44.
All these petitioners are, my lord, were retired from service from the Silchar municipal board. And their claim is for pensionary benefit as per ROP 10. Earlier, these matters were listed for hearing, my lord.
So it should go to hearing.
Yes, my lord.
It should be here. Because it will take some considerable time to hear this matter also. Yes.
Can I pay it after realization?
After we
Any hearing day, my lord.
we'll give you a date on a hearing date.
Yes.
After Bihu vacation.
Yes.
Okay. But Mr. Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also had Mr. S. Datta, the learned senior counsel appearing for Silchar municipal.
Respondent number 2 and 3.
Respondent number-
Now it is corporation.
Corporation. So 2 and 3 and Mr. T. Chutia, the learned additional senior government affairs for respondent number 1. The matter is ready for hearing. Therefore, on the prayer of the council appearing for the parties, let the matter be listed on after Bihu 1 on 23rd April. Let the matter be listed on 23rd April for hearing.
Hearing, my lord.
You have not taken steps.
Yes, my lord, I need 2 weeks time to file fresh steps like upon respondent number 4.
Heard MS so-and-so and also heard Mr. So-and-so. You are appearing as what?
CGC, my lord.
Oh, CGC. Full stop.
minus 7 months.
For respondent 4, eh?
Yes, through respondent number 2, my lord. Allow me to take steps upon respondent number 4 through respondent number 2, my lord.
Where it has been given.
My lord, I pray for the to take steps to the
Who
headquarters.
is who?
Upon respondent number 4,
Who is who?
2 is Director General, my lord.
Hmm?
Director General,
Who is Director General of?
SSP, my lord.
SSP.
New Delhi headquarters. 2, respondent number 4.
Okay, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submitting that she should be allowed to take first steps on respondent number 2. Respondent number 4 through the respondent number 2. The prayer is allowed. The learned counsel will take first steps for notice on respondent number 4 through respondent number 2 within a period of 3 days from today.
Obliged.
By speed post as well as usual
By
course.
speed.
By speed post as well as usual course. Speed post will do. Within 3 days, steps. And the later matter fixed after entering the verification. Matter fixed after entering verification.
May I please, your lordship, office no letter, madam?
You filed the amended cost title.
I mean, madam.
Now you have to take steps on them.
They'll have to.
I may allow madam 1 week's time, madam.
To take steps.
Post that, madam. I mean, post that.
Cost title you haven't done, is it? Okay. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that amended cost title in the instant case has to be filed, but the same is yet to be filed. He prays for 1 week's time to file the amended cost title. Prayer is allowed. Let the matter be listed after. Is there any urgency in the matter?
No, no.
Then let the matter be listed after the ensuing verification. You file be in the meantime, in the meantime, cost title will file.
47, 48.
Maybe lordship, my lord. Here steps are completed.
That's the you have taken.
Yes, my lord. I have
You filed an affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, heard me honest so and so learned counsel appearing for the petitioner also heard. So and so learned counsel. You are appearing for? So Munir appearing for?
1 to 4.
Mr. Munir, learned counsel appearing for Hadi Village. Respondent number appearing for respondent 1 to 5. Full stop. Service of notice on respondent number 7. No?
6 and 7, my lord.
6 and 7 have been completed by Dusty Service, and to that effect, an affidavit has been filed by the council appearing for the petitioner. Full stop. Since the pleadings in the matter is completed, pleadings in the matters are completed, let the matter be listed after the ensuing verification. Received. So you file affidavit when?
But there is a delay of 4 years also, your lordship, filing the review, your lordship.
Delay of 4 years.
Yes, your lordship. And it's
Let them file affidavit first, my lord. Earlier, they are looking to several occasion time for filing affidavit.
You file an affidavit, delay is there. I mean, you should have filed by this time then.
yes, your lordship.
Or Mr. K. Kolita, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard MS.
H. Terangpi, your lordship.
H. Terangpi for
Education,
For-
school education.
for education department.
Education, your lordship. Education,
For education.
yes, your lordship.
What is education? Education is a department of what?
Elementary, secondary, I think, no.
Elementary
No, Lordship, for secondary, I can appear for all of it.
for the education department. All the respondents, huh?
Yes, Lordship.
For all the respondents, full stop. Mr. Rangi submits that he has received the instructions in the matter and will be filing the affidavit in opposition shortly. Full stop. Let the matter be listed after,
Second week of April, my lord.
let the matter be listed after, let the matter be listed in the second week of April.
My lord, on 9th.
Can it be after the vacations, Your Lordship, after the bureau vacation?
Okay, let it be listed after, let it be listed on 22nd April,
Yes. 11,000 for that.
22nd April.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, kindly see the order dated 28/10/2025.
Service report is awaited.
Service
Restaurant number
step taken,
five.
my lord.
Huh?
Step taken, my lord.
Respondent number 5,
My lord.
but it is awaited.
But other, my lord, and other respondent, my friend appeared me in all the cases, my lord.
It's a contempt matter,
My lord.
isn't it?
My lord.
Then
Item number 52, 53, my lord, respondent number 5 already appears, my lord.
52, 53 appeared.
Appear.
Restaurant number 5 is appearing.
Commissioner, my lord.
In other,
Then in your application, respondent number, who is
my
respondent
lord,
number
item
5?
50.
Who is respondent number 5?
The respondent number 5 is, my lord, B. Kollan, Mr. B. Kollan, Dr. B. Kollan Chakraborty, Additional Chief Secretary to the government. My lord,
So you are appearing for him.
Lordship, let notice go. I mean, if notice is already noticed.
The notice gone a long time back.
other
Probably.
cases gone.
Lordship, then we'll file the Bhalatama on the
Hmm?
We'll file the Bhalatama on the no restriction.
My lord, otherwise, my lord, administrative department is respondent number 4 and the chief executive officer, my lord. Respondent number 3.
Hmm.
Number 2 in packet number 51, my lord.
Hmm.
That's one.
Now, why these all these matters are together?
My lord, these are my connected case, my lord.
Same order.
Same order, my lord. Because the main case is, my lord, item number 50. And thereafter, my lord, the other cases, my lord, dispose of in connection with the, my lord, item number, my lord, this present item number 50, my lord, judgment.
Okay, then we'll have to issue, I mean, since he's appearing, I mean, we'll issue a
My lord.
notice and he'll appearing,
My-
he'll take
My
instructions.
lord, my lord, kindly see, order dated 28/10/2025, my lord. Some, my lord, appraisal from the, my lord, registry is required, my lord. Because, my lord, one review petition filed on, my lord, 8/4/2025. They have taken time since, my lord, last time, my lord, several occasions only on the basis of this filing, my lord. Kindly see the, my lord, order dated 28, my lord. It will clear, my lord.
28?
28/10, my lord. Order passed by, my lord, Justice Arundhati Chaudhary, my lord.
2810?
28/10, my lord, 25.
Yes.
My lord, kindly see, my lord. And last time was given, my lord.
But since new incumbent has come,
My lord, that may be given.
I mean,
Only, my
but
lord,
next date you can point it
my
out.
lord, only the registry may be directed to apprise this, my lord, regarding the status of the review petition, my lord.
One thing, my lord, I will wait for respondent number 3, my lord. I think that's fine. New incumbent has joined, finished the, my lord.
Several date, my lord, it will transfer. and-
Which petition? This petition, 50?
Respondent number 3, my lord, Arun Pathak, my lord. 51 item and 152 and 53, my lord.
but not in 50, not in 50.
Not in 50, I'm not appearing in 50, my lord.
Okay, in 50, you write, I mean, heard Mrs. Soinski,
Miss
the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also, petitioner. Then, and what about this 1, 2, 3,
My lord,
24,
already
who is appearing?
We're appearing.
Mr. So-and-so.
1 to 4, my lord.
Appears for respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4. Mr. A, what is it for? No, wait. Let 50 be completed.
If 50, I'm not appearing, my lord.
Then sit down. Then you write, you are Mr. Dave, eh? Mr. AK goes, submits that he has instruction to appear in this matter? Or no?
On behalf of Mr. K.
No, for Kalyan Chakraborty, are you appearing?
Not sure if I can appear. Yes.
Mr. AK goes, submits that he can appear for respondent number 5 also. In view of the aforesaid, notice is dispensed with, notice to respondent number 5 is dispensed with, and Mr. Ghosh is directed to file the power on behalf of respondent number 5 within a period of within a week, full stop. Let the matter be listed.
Can it be on month of May? I mean, the review is yet pending.
Review more than 6 months has already on this review is.
You find out what is happening for review.
My lord, only this, my lord, kindly. Only this status is shown, my
filed by them.
only this status is shown, my
The
lord.
review has been filed by them.
Yes, your lord.
The filing number, but the registered number, I don't have that.
And the
No, on the next date of listing, the learned counsel appearing for the respondents shall provide the status of the review that has been filed against the judgment and order dated.
judgment and order dated, my lord. Judgment and order dated, my lord. Order dated, my lord, 25/2025, passed in IS Civil 237 of 2025.
IA or writ petition?
IA, my lord.
What was the direction?
Direction, my lord, IA was rejected, my lord.
Not.
No, my lord, it's clearly rejected, my lord. Kindly see the. That is why, my lord,
The WPC 43797 is what?
WPC 410, my lord, this is the main case, my lord.
So main case, I mean, there is a.
My lord, after main case, my lord, they file appeal,
Hmm.
writ appeal dismiss, then they, my lord, go to the, my lord, Honorable Supreme Court, and that liberty was granted to file seeking a clarification. Accordingly, they filed the IA was dismissed. Then they,
So
my lord,
basically, you want the compliance of which order?
my lord, order dated, my lord, 5/8/2022, single bench. This is
That's
the
what
main
I'm
case.
saying. And the review has been filed where?
Review has been filed in the IA of the, my lord, division bench judgment, my lord. The order dated, my lord, 5/8/2023, passed in WA.
Review is not on this writ petitions order.
No, my lord.
Which is the fact, if I may just put, after the writ appeal, wherein the division bench held certain thing, we went up to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court gave us the liberty to approach the Honorable High Court to seek the necessary clarification. For that purpose, an IA.
You have filed an IA.
Yes, we have filed an IA. In that IA, we sought for a clarification as to the date of competition is to counted for pension, counted from the initial date of appointment or the date of regularization. With the Honorable Division Bench, we just gave a remark that the date of regularization is to be treated from 10/5/2003.
Okay.
That is not what we actually expected of.
So you filed a review on that.
Yes, we have filed a review on that. Specifically seeking clarification.
Okay, then you write
The other part of
status of the review petition filed in IA in bracket civil /237/2025. So you give a status to the court next date. What is happening to that? Because but the allegation is that you are taking that plea and like you are not complying with the order.
I can provide the filing number.
So you give the status next time, find out what is happening and give the status. Let the matter be listed when after the ensuing vacation.
My lord, the filing number is there, my lord, the 9929 of 2025.
So let them come back with whatever is the status, they'll let them come back, okay?
My lord,
Because we cannot find out just like that.
or let them, my lord, file affidavit, my lord.
But I mean, affidavit they will file if required. And other matters same?
Same, similar.
We just change the name, 51 who is appearing? 51 you are appearing.
51, 52 and 53.
50 and 53 Mr. Patgiri, Patgiri appears for this thing. And put his name,
51, 52, 53, correspondent number 3, for the
respondent number 3. And what about other respondents you are appearing? Mr. AK who's appearing for other respondents? Only, I mean, you are appearing for one person,
Respondent number 3 only.
respondent 3, and others you are appearing in all the matters, other matters, remaining matters. Okay. That you have to do again, Mr. Patgiri.
At present, he is not the competent authority to comply that order.
Okay. So we don't need his requirement, but like you have made a very big party.
I will implement, my lord.
My lord,
We will not pass any order, you see.
lord.
If you think
can
that
it be fixed a date, my lord? Can it be fixed a date, my lord?
after vacation, give me a date.
24.
Don't keep it 24th April, put it on 24th, 28th April, 28.
Highly obliged, your lordship.
Obliged.
None appeared for the petitioner when the matter was called for. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks. Respondent number MS so respondent number 1 is present.
My lordship. My lord, in this case, earlier there was a writ petition filed by private respondent. That writ petition was closed on the ground that she was not found fit for the post.
So you haven't taken the steps?
Yes, I have taken steps. This is.
No, as per the report, the steps hasn't been taken.
No, the other respondents.
Respondent number 5.
I have been struck off because she filed case a writ petition and that was closed on the ground that she has no case. So though we made her party later on, her name was struck off. So now matter may be.
No, from which order it was struck off? Last order was steps on respondent number 5 shall be taken by the speed post.
It was there, but we have struck off her name.
And how can which order?
With order.
There is no order of striking off.
I can do silence.
Matter is on record. It's pending. Where was there?
There is no order.
Kindly take after some time. I will look.
No, I mean you take fresh steps. 5 is still there. Why her name should be struck off?
Look.
Why her name should be struck off?
Because my lord, her case was dismissed. This kindly see, this is the order. So she was no longer necessary because her case was closed on the ground that she was not eligible. Can you see this order? So
2024.
right.
You come up with proper instructions, we'll place it after 2 weeks.
Yes.
Mr. M.E. Mahmood, the learned counsel appears for the petitioner. Mr. A. Chakraborty for
Respondent 1, 2, 3, and 4.
respondent 1, 2, and 3, 4. On the prayer of Mr. M.E. Mahmood, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, let the matter be listed after 2 weeks. You take proper instructions, what is to be done, what is not to be done. You keep this with you, okay?
56, my lord, may I interrupt, my lord? If permits, my lord. My lord, may I interrupt? My lord, already item number 54 already passed by lord. My lord, thus I go to the trial court, my lord. There is an urgency in that matter, my lord.
Order is passed now. Now what
My
can
lord,
be done?
only my humble prayer, if lordship, there is a very urgent situation, my lord, in that matter. The petitioner was, my lord, is suffering from illness. Now he is hospitalized, my lord.
No, what is to be done now? You have filed a dusty, right?
My lord, I have already filed the dusty and I have took the steps and they have not appeared, my lord. Respondent number 3, that is the urgency, my lord. Already, if your lordship, the order is seen, my lord, or this honorable court has observed that almost 12 years already passed, my lord, in that matter, my lord.
Oh, what? I mean, give it a file. We'll place it for admission. Justice service has been taken.
My
I mean,
lord,
who is, I mean, nobody is appearing.
My lord, they appeared for, respondent number 1 is appeared, my lord.
You are appearing for 4, respondent 4. 1 only. None appeared for respondent number 4. Let the matter be fixed after 2 weeks. Service on respondent number 4 is complete as affidavit for service of dusty is brought on record by the counsel appearing for the petitioner. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks. Let her appear, let somebody appear.
A short time may be given.
No, 2 weeks is fine. 2 weeks is
The date may be given, my lord, if possible.
I want to give them.
Much obliged.
Obliged, ma'am.
You write justice service affidavit file. Then respondent nobody appeared for respondent 4. Okay. Yes, 56.
Your lordship, in this case, the respondent number 4, the address is different, your lordship. Your lordship may kindly peruse the order dated 12/3/2026 passed by the deputy registrar. We know the address, your lordship, the inquiry officer. In this case, the person has been terminated from service. He was working as a sub-inspector, your lordship.
No, now you know the address.
Now we know the address.
So you file a, I mean,
Then interlocutory application.
you file an IA for amending the cost title. Heard Mr. T. Deoli, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Petitioner, he submits that though the address of the respondent number 4 was not available with them, now he is able to gather the address of respondent number 4. Therefore, he would like to file an IA to amend the cost title. Full stop. Let the matter be listed after
1 week,
weeks.
your lordship, your lordship.
after a week.
Very grateful, your lordship.
57.
Well, it's just taken on respondent number 9, but she is not appearing. And as per my instruction,
Respondent number 10.
already she is appearing.
Who is appearing for respondent number 10?
Already, evidence has been filed on her behalf, my lord.
already affidavit has been filed, my lord.
Who?
One Rana, my lord, I am Rana. Ultimately, her appearance is already completed.
The respondent number 10, who is appearing? Miss Ran Bibi. Both are the same address.
Same address. My lord, they are
Respondent 9 and 10 are same address.
same address. Respondent number 10 has received the notice. She has appeared. Respondent number 9, super respondent number 9, my lord. 2 times already her address was changed by filing IA, my lord. But she is not appearing as per instruction. She is not receiving the notice. But in this, my lord, one review petition is pending before court number 15. That matter is fixed today also, my lord. After some time, that matter will be taken up. In that matter, the same respondent number 9 is also the respondent in that review petition. But in the review petition, she is appearing.
Now, what is to be done?
My lord, Lordship, this matter may be tagged with the review petition number
How review petition, how do we know? Yes, not.
review petition number. Otherwise, I may be allowed to take that thing, my lord. Through postal services, she is not receiving the notice, my lord. I can tender the, my lord.
Review petition is fixed before the honorable court of court number 15.
Court number 15,
Today
ma'am.
itself,
Today itself.
Number 47.
Item number 47 there, my lord.
Maybe taken up because the parties were same.
Same parties. Petitioner respondent in all these all these two petitions.
Now, first you take the steps on respondent number 8, respondent number 9.
Well, 2 times steps were taken. Well, earlier steps was taken at the prison.
You take steps by Dusty.
By Dusty.
You take that steps by Dusty, then we'll see whether these matters to be taken together, and we do not know which what is the review all about.
Otherwise, in review petition, my lord, what happened? This respondent number 9, my lord, already filed a writ petition, my lord.
You take the steps first. You take the steps. Mr. So-and-so appears for the petitioner.
MS.
Petitioner. Also, Mr. and Chaudhary for you are for BTC. And Chaudhary for BTC. Mr. B. Sama. And A. Chakraborty for?
2, 6 and 7.
You also appearing? So-and-so for spot number 1. Seen the Lozima court report dated 10/11/3/2026. The Colonial Council appearing for the petitioner submits that he should be allowed to take steps by Dusty mode. Prayer is allowed on Dusty mode through the registry. After
Fix a date, my lord.
after the service of notice by way of Dusty, the counsel for the petitioner shall file an affidavit as a proof of service of notice by Dusty mode, full stop. Later matter will be listed on 28th of March.
My lord. Hello. May I please?
March.
May I please, your lord?
In this matter, the address of the respondent 4 has changed, lordship. Now we have found the present address. So I may be allowed to file an IA for
We heard Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. He submits that he has managed to procure the current address of respondent number
4.
Respondent number 4. And and therefore he would like to file an IA for amendment of the cause title. Later matter will be listed after 2 weeks. Just show their names.
For respondent number 5.
Respondent number 1 and 5, and you?
For respondent number 2 and 3.
2 and 3. I was so-and-so 2 and 3. Your name?
L is on the.
You give the names, huh? Give the names. Give the names.
Machan.
May I please, your lordship?
Lordship will kindly peruse the order passed by the deputy registrar. Here also the quotation is same. R6, respondent number 6, address has changed. By order of the deputy registrar, this matter has been placed before this court. By order
So
of ten.
we file an IA. Heard Mr. Soin,
Okay.
learned counsel appearing for the petitioner also heard
Page number 3, 4, and 5.
3, 4, and 5.
What should a week's time may be given?
A week's time is allowed to file an IA for amendment of the cause title by including the new address of the respondent number 6. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
What's the date?
2 weeks. You file it, whatever. Yeah. 33-0.
Is your lordship? Mr. Dina is still on legs, lordship, in court number 7 now, lordship.
Okay, we'll put it some other time.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr.
HR does, lordship.
HR Das on behalf of Mr. D. Nath.
Mr. Dina.
D. Nath, learned standing counsel.
Standing counsel APGC.
APGCL, full stop. It is submitted that Mr. D. Nath is occupied in another court in view of the aforesaid. Let the matter be listed after a week.
Highly